Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Erica and I love to share videos on either how to start a business, how to simplify that business, or even how to grow that business using video marketing, aka Reels. I also love sharing videos on mindset tips and what helped me actually quit my corporate job over 3 years ago, start my business, and grow my business. So whether you're new here or you're coming back for more, I appreciate you so much for being here. So today's video is one that you definitely want to save and refer back to, because today I am going to teach you the top 5 ways of how to increase the views on your Reels. So we know that Reels are super powerful for marketing our business, right? And we want to be posting them, but also we want to get the biggest bang for our buck so that they can get in front of as many eyeballs as possible and market your business to as many people as possible. So the first way you can increase your views on your Reels is by adding value in your Reels. And what do I mean by that? You might hear that on the internet a lot. So what I mean by that is teach us something, or maybe you are showing us a way that can shortcut the time, or maybe it's a hack, right? Maybe you can show me a change in perspective that might actually catapult me to do something different, which could be huge in my business. Or maybe it's a tip that they can implement right away. You know, I just shared a reel yesterday on one tip to help you increase the views on your Reels. And I shared one of these tips that I'm providing with you today. So that's just one simple tip that they could quickly implement right away and get an easy win right away. Most people are trying to get away from pain. They're trying to save time or money. So if you can be thinking along those lines in your business, or if your product, whatever it is, be thinking about that and provide the value in your next reel. So the second way to increase the views on your Reels is to share a really popular kind of reel right now, which is a quote reel. And I actually just did a video on this, on exactly how to create a quote reel, which I will link below. Plus it'll be popping up over in one of these corners. So you can go watch that video and learn exactly how to do this kind of a reel. They are trending right now, so they're super hot. They're super easy to make, and they only take about 7 to 10 seconds. So it's a quick reel, it's easy, and they are trending and really hot right now. So also with a quote reel, you know, people love to share quotes. I love to share quotes, and I'm sure you do too. And so when you're doing a quote reel, you have more of a chance for that reel to be shared by someone else, which obviously increases the views on that reel. Third way to increase the views on your Reels is to utilize this hot feature, which Instagram has it and Facebook has it, but it's the pin feature. So if you go to my profile right now on Instagram, which is at Reels Coach Erica, you'll see as soon as you land on my grid, there's 3 reels that are pinned to the top, okay? So this is huge. Facebook also has one, but it's just, you can pin one to your profile. So after you create a reel, you're gonna go into that reel and click the top 3 buttons in the upper right-hand corner. And then you'll see towards the bottom that you can either pin to profile or pin to Reels. And you get to choose whichever one you wanna pin it to. But I like to think of this as like, when someone comes to your profile, they wanna see what you're about and how you can help them. And so this is a perfect way to kind of be directing whatever you want them to see first, or whatever reel you want them to see. It's as soon as they land on your page, they're going to see that reel at the top. So they're more likely to click into that reel. So the fourth way to increase the views on your Reels is to use trending audio. So I love to teach my clients when I'm working with them in their Reels to do a mix of different styles of Reels, or different kind of Reels. One of which is a talking head or educational type of a reel. Now, those are perfect by itself, like on its own. However, if you want to increase the views, or like give that reel a little bit of oomph, if you will, then I suggest adding some trending audio. So adding that trending audio will just allow that reel to potentially be seen by more people, but also it could possibly allow you to get on that audios page. You know, when you go into the music, a particular song, you'll see the different reels that have been created with using that audio. And yours could be there, which obviously would increase the views on that reel. Now, how to see if an audio is trending or not is probably going to be your next question, right? So in Instagram, when you go into your reel and you want to add the music or add the audio, you'll see some of the audios or songs will have a little diagonal arrow with it. And that right there lets you know that it's trending. If you're doing this in Facebook, you'll see that the in the little graphic of the audio, it'll have like a little fire symbol, and that'll let you know that that audio is hot right now. And so you want to choose one of those trending audios. Okay, so the fifth and final way to increase the views on your reel is to always, always, always share your reels to your stories on Instagram and Facebook. Now, depending on the settings that you've got set up will determine who sees your stories. So for me, I have all of my stuff set to public, and I suggest you do too if the goal is to increase the views on your stories and your reel. So when you set your stories to public, anybody who follows you and who does not follow you will be able to see your stories. But also be aware that even the people that follow you who, you know, when you post a reel to your feed, they might not see all of your content. However, you may have somebody who is like a diehard story watcher, so they might be able to see your reel that way if they didn't catch it coming through their feed. So I tell all of my clients, always share your reels to your stories. You are just helping yourself out by doing that. So those are the top 5 ways to increase the views on your reels. If you need support with starting reels or coming up with a reel strategy, you can find my contact below. I work with my clients in a variety of ways, and I tailor it specifically to that client and their business. So the links are below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe so you don't miss my next video, and come back next week. Bye.